की आमगे पळय सगळें आमगे गोंय चलत तें म्हणजे सगळीं दुसरे आटीन वयताय कळना म्हळ्यार एकू तेंगे एकू हें आसोता की गोंय सांबाळपा जाय म्हण तेंगे एकू आसोता गोंय सांबाळपा जाय म्हण कळना सगळ्यांक तेंच जाय म्हण गोंय सांबाळपाक म्हळ्यार सगळीं दुसरे आटी डिवायड जालो हाय कळना सो मुश तकलें कितें येयलें की आतां आमी कोविडा टायमा पासून सिवियर टायमा पासून चोयलो आहा की नॉर्थ सावथ केश कोन्न तेंगे केस्तांव चलताली सो सगळ्या मेळून हांवें म्हगे तकलें हें जालें की हें सगळीं कित्याक डिविजन चलता कोण डिवायड कोता कित्याक डिवायड कोता सगळीं झगडटाय गोंयक लागोनूच जाल्यार सगळीं एकठांय एक वार कित्याक येनाय म्हूण सो हें म्हजे मोती जालें की हें सगळ्यांगे घरा पावपा जाय हें आमी कितें चिंतील तें एक तरणाट पासून म्हजे बरें म्हणपा लागलो हाल आमगे प्रोटेस्ट चलता प्रोटेस्ट आहा म्हणजे दोन कडेन प्रोटेस्ट आहाय एकू टॉपिका लागोन दोन कडेन प्रोटेस्ट खूंय वचपाचें बाय डिविजन सगळीं एकठांय येन एक बारा येन देर इज अ सोल्युशन टुगेदर वी कॅन मेक वंडर्स कळना बट गोईंग सेपरेट फॉर सेम कॉज मेक्स नो सेन्स सो दॅट इज वॉट ते म्हजे मोती येयलें की हें सगल्यांगे घरां सगल्यांगे मनशां आमगे गोंयकारां मदें पावपा जाय की आम सगळीं एकठांय हें करपा जाय म्हूण हें गोंय सांबाळपाक एकठांयान येवपा जाय तेका लागोन हांवें पळयलें न्हू हू म्हाका हें जालें हू टू अप्रोच द मेन thing happened who to approach. I called up Roshan, okay, from Goinzo Abbas. I called up Roshan and said, Roshan, this is there in my brain. I want someone to, bring it out beautifully. He said, okay, I have Ryan. Okay, he's my brother. He didn't introduce initially, he's my brother. There is Ryan, okay, who has everything under one roof, who could do it for you. And that's how I came across, the Ryan ko melna. तेको सांगिलाय हें मुगे हें आहाय कळना मिन्स पीपल आर डिवायडेड सगळीं एक बारा येवपाक म्हणजे हें नॉर्थ सावथ केस्तांव सो एवरीथींग हॅज टू बी वन लोकां एकठांय हाडपाक म्हूण कळना एंड दॅट इज हाव ही ब्युटिफुली रिमूव द सॉंग द लिरिक्स एंड ऑल बाय एरियल ओके तेन पासून गोंयच म्हणजे हितू बोर कोन्न तें उतरां हाडलें क्रिस्तांव जावं हिंदू जावं मुस्लीम जावं म्हणजे आमगे आतां चलत तें गोंयांत तूं चोयलां की चलत तें ऑल आर डिवायडेड कळना अननेसेसरी डिविजन चलताय सो तेका लागून हें कांतार मेक्स इट ऑल एवरीथींग द सॉंग सेज एवरीथींग एंड वी हॅड अ वंडरफूल पर्सन टू सिंग फॉर इट हू एक्चुअली मेड दी वॉयस कम आउट that is Hema Santhasai, as you know. So this is how led me to the song. This is how took me like we all entire Goa has to come together for one, and we have got lots more left ahead. Okay. Yeah.
We've created something from all our hearts for Goa, because we have a few things that we feel we as people of Goa deserve to keep us united.
आयले रिस्क घेऊन येतात तुम्ही सल्यूट टू यू ओके देव बरें करूं सगळ्यांक म्हजी सगळ्यान खोशी जेन्ना हो कॉन्सेप्ट म्हाका रायन मार्क मतायस हाणें हाडलो ताणें सांगलें म्हाका की जिना परेरा ताका प्रोत्साहन दिलें हें पद करपाक आनी बरयलें कोणें जो म्हज्या फेसबुकाचेर आसा आमचो बाब एरल पॉल फर्नांडीस रायन मार्क एरल पॉल फर्नांडीस एंड जिना's brains got together and हांव हांगा आयिल्लें for something that we were supposed to do for Goa only आनी हें पद सारकें म्हजें आयुश्याचें म्हणजे स्वप्नांतलें पद म्हणटा पळय तशें म्हजे समोर आशिल्लें आनी ताचे नंतर आमी बसून मातशी ताचेर हो ट्यून कसो करुया तो ट्यून कितें कसो मेलडी कशी घालया आनी रायन मार्क तीस म्हाका सगळ्यांक सांगूंक जाय की आमच्या गोंयान प्रत्येक जाण इवन तुमच्या भितर खूब टॅलंट आसतली कित्याक आमची माती जी आसा ती कला भरल्या त्या मातीन आनी पीपल लायक रायन मार्क हांवें पळयलां व्हेरी पॅशनेट आनी तांकां प्रोत्साहन मेळना म्हणजे खंय तांणी पावूंक जाय थंय कित्याक तें पावना ही आनी दॅट गाय आय एम नॉट आय मीन we just met, so I'm nothing that is selfish in what I'm saying. म्हणजे काही स्वार्थ ना हांव कितें करता तें निस्वार्थान करता तुमकां खबर आसा तर एरल पॉल आय मीन ब्रिलियंट आनी ताणें पळय रायन मार्कान ह्या व्हिडिओन जांकां हाडून तांकां तांणी संतूर वाजयला कोणें आनी कितें what are the instruments you use?
Mandolin, flutes, santoor, electric guitars, drums, dhols,
All
ghoots.
brilliant cones. Where are they? Why are they not seen so much? I am so happy that people like this, the singers, Christopher and Amit Naik, it is styled by poems I come to Goinkar, and to have them all in that video, with your beautiful concept. Her son, you should watch him in the end when that butterfly thing. Yeah, those so Goinkar, the talent. Oh gosh. I'm telling you, I am super impressed with the way he has done the video. And I'm so happy. किती खोशी म्हाका की हांवें हो व्हिडिओ केलो सगळ्या गोंयकारांक हे सामकें प्रत्येक गोंयकारांनी हें पद म्हणूंक जाय हें मना पासून तना पासून एक गोंयकाराचें पद हें तुमचें पद गोंयकाराचें आमचें सगळ्यांचें पद हें अशें कातार की उठ्ठा बसताना आमी गावंक जाय सगळ्यांनी.
And he has collected 3 gifts for his friends. The deeper meaning is when he meets his friends down South Goa, he takes them to the forest, and that's the forest which is surviving right now. And in the forest, he gives these friends these 3 beautiful gifts. When they reveal it, one is the plants. So what is basically the symbol. It symbolizes what you call this. It symbolizes earth and replenish what you remove. Things like this we destroy. I know sometimes we need wood, we may need trees, but replenish is what I say, or relocate trees. The second part was the musicians, my brothers and sisters, who have really, they didn't even know the song, and I didn't put it out as a song that they would get attracted by the kind of community they're working with, but a deeper passion. So they did not know till the end hour what song was being put out, because if I had to say them, then they would be attracted by the popularity. And this song was not for popularity, it was mainly for the deeper soul meaning of the song, And that's when they said, oh, this is the song that we played the music for. That was a surprise to them. And I think with my team from Underworld, we are like 7, 8 of us. We are all here, some of us are here. And we all understood our parts in this production of this video, and we knew that we needed to go beyond our 24 hours. We made it a 48/7 schedule. We worked this out in 2 weeks. We did shoots literally till the last minute. We got a video done in,
Last shot was beneath.
yeah, we did her shoot on the 18th and we released the video on 20th. So overnight our video is ready. So that kind of work our team has put up tremendous energy. I would take the names here. We have Seerat, we have Delroy, we have Chris, we have Lloyd, we have Carol, we have Lenzil, Vinayak. We all really put heart and soul into this video. Not because we make a lot of videos. We have one of the best services in house, but I think doing it for Goa is where literally there was no time for us to breathe, and we said we needed to be out. World Goa Day is when we launched the song. She had a flight. She's on the flight. We're launching at the same time, and I think it's an amazing ride, and I'm very happy. I've got more than 2,000 messages in my phone itself, which was like, wow, what is this? And I said, it's not me, but it's all of us. It's the entire team, and it's going into the conversations with her during the first 8 hours. Besides the fact that I found out that she's not politically related, I think is what are we uniting? And she was saying the people of Goa. There's one thing I realized with the people of Goa, everyone is with their own set of leaders. In singers, it was Hema is the main singer. I, myself, Ryan, Chris, he's also not
Chris
here.
is the guy who plays for that band.
He plays for Tidal Wave.
Tidal Wave.
Yes, he plays in Tidal Wave. And Amit, better known as Waking Grunt, he's also in the video as doing the rap parts. So we four of us actually did the main voices.
With their rock.
Yeah, and then there were a lot of blending voices from other artists which are kind of synchronized in the song. It is the need of the hour. Not now, but maybe like few hours or months or days back. When in a situation like this, Goa is suffering day by day. And we feel like trees falling down, mountains being cut, forests being destroyed. It's all in our inboxes by now. We have this viral media going out.
Regarding the song, okay, actually what came up in our mind was there were many of them going in a different page. Soglin Zogotai Eko Nawalagon, Goa. Okay. So it was like Sogla Ekta Yadpa. Okay, instead of Sogli Dusre Ate Noita, but Kai Mena, Kain's nothing. It is a question mark. No matter whichever lane you go, it's a question mark. So why not does everyone come together and save this thing together? Means मुझको एक टर्नाट येलो आणि माग पडपा लागलो आमको एक क्वेश्चन आहा तुका होय हाल एक प्रोटेस्ट आहा होय म्हळ्यार दोन कोडे आहाय आय हुंच कोडे वचपाचें so that clicked me in my mind like same people fighting for the same cause but two places protest why so it is basically this song it came in our mind so that we get everyone on one page together. This was our actual motive. Okay, that is why this is how I approached Ryan. I told him this is so and so things are there in my brains. Okay, so and so I wanted. This is how he took ahead with it. And it is all Ryan that he placed everything in one box very nicely and he made wonders for the song. Okay, and yes, Hema who sang it very well. Only she could do it, I think, or the singing, because that is actually brought, the actual, you say the flavors of the song, where people can actually feel it. What are we trying to say in our song?
I think it's my request to the government की आमका एक group करूंक जाय किंवा एक संघटन करूंक जाय where the government is mothering this little thing where young artists are showcased when tourists come. फाल्यां आमचे हे कोविड आता सगळें वतलें म्हाका कॉन्फिडन्स आसा की सगळें वेवस्थीत जातलें बरें जातलें आनी सगळ्यांक परत आपले जे सूख आनी शांती आनी समृद्धी आनी हेल्थ जी आसा सगळी परती येवपाची आसा तेन्ना आमचे टुरिझम हाका showcasing म्हणून from the government आसपाक जाय for talents like this.
9 years who were stuck here for past 6 months and their parents were in London. So we thought to go ahead with it and we had this flight done from London, direct flight. Okay, and it was first time in the history that Boeing aircraft 340 landed in Goa.
Wow.
Okay, it was for the first time. So yes, we were happy that we kept this mission as Bomb Jesus mission, and that's when I told Ryan, I think this is the time we actually need to put the song out because it's for everyone, the entire Goa, it has to sing, and we had people singing this song on the flight. They were so happy. Like once they landed, also they were like, Gina, you all played the best song for us. So which was really really good connecting everything. And yes, I just want to say one thing is stop, as our song also says, Hindu, Muslim, Catholic, all are one. Okay, stop dividing. No matter you see it on a Facebook, someone putting it up or whatever hatred, do not go for it. Do not. Ultimately, end of the day, we all are one. No one is criticizing anyone. We need to make up ourselves that we all are one. Let's keep that aside, whatever it is. And finally, we want to say like it is O going Kara, shouting out, and actually from my heart saying out that we all need to get one. Stop division. No more division. Let's get one. It's ultimately Teen Utrachi Sobit Goya. Goa.